Mechanical engineering is everywhere. You see it in cars and airplanes, you see it in robots and medical devices. It's the buildings we live in and the bridges we cross. Mechanical engineers make these things happen. They are the builders and problem solvers of our world. From the smallest microchip to the largest spaceship, mechanical engineers turn ideas into reality. It's a field that combines creativity and technical skills. You need to understand how things work. You also need to imagine how to make them better. This essay will explore the world of mechanical engineering. We will dive into what it takes to think like an engineer. Get ready to unlock your inner mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineers design, build, and test mechanical systems. They work in a wide range of industries. These include aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. Problem solving is at the heart of what they do. Every day, they face challenges. These challenges involve designing new products or improving existing ones. To solve these problems, mechanical engineers need a strong foundation in math and science. They use this knowledge to analyze forces, motion, and energy. This helps them create safe and efficient machines. But it's not just about technical skills. Mechanical engineers also need to be good communicators. They work in teams and need to explain complex ideas clearly. Problem solving is the core of mechanical engineering. Engineers are constantly faced with challenges. These challenges require them to think critically and find solutions. The process starts with identifying the problem. What needs to be improved or created? Once the problem is defined, engineers gather information, they research existing solutions and analyze the requirements. Next, they brainstorm ideas and develop potential solutions. This is where creativity plays a crucial role. Engineers need to think outside the box and come up with innovative approaches. Once they have a few promising solutions, they evaluate each one. They consider factors like cost, safety, and performance. The best solution is then selected for development. While technical skills are essential, creativity is what sets great engineers apart. It's the ability to think differently, to see possibilities where others see limitations. Creativity in engineering is about finding elegant solutions to complex problems. It's about designing products that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Think of the sleek design of a sports car or the intricate mechanisms of a Swiss watch. These are all examples of engineering creativity at its finest. Section 5. Real-world wonders, mechanical engineering in action. Mechanical engineering is everywhere around us. Look around your home, your city, or even your own body. You'll see countless examples of mechanical engineering in action. From the refrigerator that keeps your food cold to the car that takes you to work, mechanical engineers have played a role in designing and building these everyday marvels. They are also responsible for some of the most impressive feats of engineering, such as towering skyscrapers, massive bridges, and supersonic aircraft. Mechanical engineering is a field that constantly pushes the boundaries of what's possible, making our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Section 6. Learning from the greats engineering legends. Throughout history, there have been countless brilliant minds who have shaped the world through their engineering achievements. Their stories serve as inspiration for aspiring engineers today. Take, for example, Henry Ford, the visionary who revolutionized the automotive industry with his assembly line production method. Or Nikola Tesla, the genius inventor who pioneered alternating current, the system we use today. These engineering giants not only possessed exceptional technical skills, but also an unyielding passion for innovation and a drive to make a difference in the world. Their stories remind us that with hard work, dedication, and a touch of ingenuity, we can achieve extraordinary things. Section 7. The design cycle, a never-ending story of improvement. Engineering is not a one-shot process. It's an iterative cycle of design, testing, and improvement. Engineers are constantly seeking ways to make things better, more efficient, and more reliable. The design cycle begins with an idea. This idea is then transformed into a prototype, which is a working model of the product or system. The prototype is then rigorously tested. Engineers analyze its performance, identify any flaws, and gather feedback. Based on the test results, the design is refined and improved. This cycle repeats itself, with each iteration bringing the product closer to perfection. Even after a product is launched, engineers continue to monitor its performance and look for ways to enhance it. Section 8. Think like an engineer, tips and tricks. Developing a mechanical engineer's mindset is about more than just memorizing formulas. It's about cultivating a way of thinking, a curiosity about how things work, and a passion for solving problems. Here are a few tips to help you unlock your inner engineer. Embrace curiosity. Ask questions, take things apart, and try to understand how they work. The more curious you are, the more you'll learn. Don't be afraid to experiment. Get your hands dirty, build things, and try different approaches. Trial and error is a valuable learning tool. Develop your problem-solving skills. Challenge yourself with puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers. The more you practice, the better you'll become at finding solutions. Study math and science. These are the foundations of engineering. A strong understanding of these subjects will serve you well. Find mentors and inspiration. Seek out experienced engineers who can guide you and share their knowledge. Read books and watch documentaries about engineering marvels and the people behind them. Section 9. Unleash your inner engineer. Mechanical engineering is a challenging and rewarding field. It's about using your creativity and technical skills to make a real difference in the world. By embracing curiosity, problem-solving, and a passion for learning, you can unlock your inner mechanical engineer. Who knows what amazing things you might create? The possibilities are limitless.